in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel.
Ang pagni sa Mindanao.
Inubanan sa atuang mga city councilors present here, Councilor Saulo Salvador, ang Councilor Salvador Canlas, and ang atuang mga barangay captains po na bisita nga sa likod si Kapitan Delfin Ignacio of Ginuma Norte and Kapitan Jun Carlo Moralion of Sangay Dako. Sa atuang Schools Division Superintendent, Ma'am Lorena Serrano, Ma'am ASBS Junicio Liwago, Sir, sa atong Chief, Ma'am Imelda Pungasi, Ma'am Ada Sakin, atong Planning Officer, and Engineer Paul Katulong of the Division's Engineer. Uban po nato atong partners in infrastructure building, no, who implemented the construction of your new classroom and even of this old classroom. DPWH personnel, Assistant District Engineer Mike Ariaga, Engineer Charito Negrinio, Engineer Jasper Carpio, Engineer Jed Peñas, and Engineer Barola. Engineer Peñas, murag silingan ninyo, itaga labinay na niya. Not to all our teachers and learners, maayong hapon. Sa atong maapikon po nga barangay captain nga tungod sa iyahang pagpangusog o sa iyahang pagpangulit, pipila ka mga dalang dinhi sa Sinusa ang nasiminto nato karong tuiga. Puro 5, unsa pa to? Puro 3, no? Ang uban ongoing. So dili na mo makikita kung i-check ninyo inyong lantawon ang General Appropriations Act of 2025. That is the annual budget for the year 2025. Tagsa-tagsa na ang project nila. Nay, duwa na ako na-memorize. Sinusa puro 5, sinusa puro 1, sinusa puro 3. No? Tungod sa inyong maapikon o kulit nga barangay captain. Kaya kailang pagkakulit, magbunga man yun na o proyekto. And of course, congratulations to your brand new school building. We hope kamo mga teachers mas inganyo, magpudlo, you should know and you should remember how important your role is in nation building, because what you how you teach and what you teach our learners, that is what they will carry on when they grow up and become leaders of our society. That is why we always consider our teachers as our modern day heroes. So palakpakan nato ang ating teachers headed by our principal, Sir Barrientos. Sir. So, kids, we hope na mas malipayon mo mosulod sa eskwelahan nga nindot na ang inyuhang school building, nga kung mag-ulan dili na mo matuluan, dili na mo mapiskan, kay pwede ra isirado ang mga bintana. We hope that you will study hard because you are the future of this nation. Today, we are celebrating the birthday of our son. Actually, it's a celebration of his birthday, pero ang iyang birthday was on February 29. Pero since there is no February 29 this year, mulang namili ni og mga dates nga makabisita sa mga nagkalain-laing eskwelahan to celebrate his birthday with the learners. So, akong ihatag ang microphone sa ako ang pinalanggang partner nga mother ni Vito Sancho to give more details about this activity. Daghang salamat ug maayong hapon kanatong tanan.
Congratulations on your new school private initiative. No? So as parents, gusto lang namo na si Vito makauban ang daghan mga bata sa kanyang celebration for his second birthday. So, you know, that we've already celebrated with 2,400 learners already from different schools. Diba? Gusto lang namo, daghan